Dear children, last day I taught you lesson 14 in history, struggle for Indian freedom. Now look at the page number 96, mobilization of the peasants. Many peasants revolts broke out ever since the British rule was established in the country. During the non-corporation movement also, peasants had been active participants. Kisan Sabha fought against the British and their agents. The Zamindars afterwards also mobilization of the peasants was a strategy actively persuaded by the Congress. Nationalist leaders worked to solve their problem. In 1928, Vallabhbhai Patel organized the Bardoli Satyagraha to protest against an increase in the tax that was to be paid by the peasants. Gandhiji was also very closely associated with the cause of the peasants. Revolutionary movement, the second phase. Revolutionary activities revived after the withdrawal of the non-corporation movement. In 1924, the revolutionary leaders formed the Hindustan Republican Association (HRA), whose objective was to overthrow the British through an armed revolution in 1925. A group of revolutionaries stopped a train at Kakori in Uttar Pradesh and snatched away some government money. This money was to be used for revolutionary activities. Similar such accidents continued throughout this period. The British repression failed to halt the revolutionaries. In 1928, Sardar Bhagat Singh and his comrades assassinated a British police officer named Saunders Saunders as a few months earlier. He had ordered a lathi charge on the peaceful demonstration led by Lala Lajpat Rai, during which Lala ji received fatal injuries and later succumbed to them. In the same year, the name of the Hindustan Republican Association was changed to Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. The word socialist was added to it because the revolutionaries, including Bhagat Singh, felt that socialism should be one of their goals. The SRA continued to resist the government. On April 8, 1929, Bhagat Singh and Batkeshwar Dutt drew a bomb in the Central Legislative Assembly to protest against public safety bill and the arrest of 31 labor leaders. They made sure that the bomb was harmless and did not injure any. After throwing the bomb and shouting anti-British slogan, both of them courted arrest. The revolutionary movement was very strong in Bengal. Young men targeted unpopular police officers and magistrates. In 1930, three young revolutionaries, namely Vinoy Bose, Badal Gupta, and the Dinesh Gupta, killed the Inspector General of Prisons. Among the revolutionaries of Bengal, the most famous was Surya Sen. He organized the Indian Republican Army. On April 18, 1930, he, along with some other revolutionaries, attacked and occupied the police army at Chittagong to snatch and loot arms for use against the British. Subsequently, he was arrested and hanged. Now, Kakori conspiracy case next day.